see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
I thought you don't like Biscoff.
I love Biscoff. He's not too sweet.
I don't want.
Just try.
I don't want.
Mum, it's not sweet at all.
It's good.
Ah! Too sweet.
Right, here comes bloody
Who's that?
Leap Fame,
Mainit lang.
So, John.
the Kingman.
I we should call the
They look all the same.
Queen Lady.
Yeah, wait.
Hey, Belle.
Hi, Belle.
Hey, Belle. What you doing?
Hi.
White short.
Her name is Belle. Is that your horse, huh?
This one.
Is that yours?
This one is.
Ah.
Hey, Belle. You going for a swim?
Don't jump on her back.
Yeah.
You going for a swim? Huh? You going for a swim, darling?
Aw, cute. How old?
Just
Only
turned
two.
2-year-old.
Oh, 2 years old.
Let's check the legs.
What's ito, Han?
What's that one, Brent?
He's
Hey,
that's at 10-5 on put-ups.
It's a horse
Where's
day
that?
today.
3-year-old. You got her down here?
She's in the water. Yeah, they all come down.
When's that race? I want to be there for that one.
Oh, I don't know. Right up the last couple of times. Always something going on. There's stuff to get there off.
She looks big. She looks big, babe.
You like more stuff?
Yeah, I do now. Dati kasi
Oh,
ayoko.
that is freezing.
Andun, yung horse, paalis na sila. Grabe ang init. So mamaya, dito daw kayo magdi-dinner sa beach. Magba-barbecue lang. Pero
Oh, Mom,
ngayon,
we're going.
oh yeah, we're going now. That's good. Kasi ang init naman.
Yeah, no
See
worries.
ya na here.
You too, see ya.
Yeah. Ayan yung horse. Ayan sila. Bye! Who's driving the truck? Huh?
Chips.
Oh my god. Just because of the horse?
For these flies.
Oh my god, yeah. How are we gonna eat dinner
I'm a-
here?
Oh, the flies have been shocking at the beach.
Oh my god, I know. Even when I was walking, I feel like every time I open my mouth, I feel like they're gonna come
I
in.
know. They've been bad on the beach.
Yeah, even in the, especially in the farm where I walk. So later it will be like cooler, huh?
I think that's a cool change.
Oh, so init, guys. Oh, later, Baba. Now it's just anong oras na? Tanghali. 11:31. Mag-edit muna ako. Edit lang kasi
What do you want, chips, Holly?
we want chips, Baba. Ah, you missed the chips from this shop.
What, chicken salt?
Yeah. On the way pala. Meron chips si Holly. On the way, nag-order si Jan ng chips dito sa malapit sa amin.
Yeah, right, so that's
Ayun
where
yung
it
chips,
is.
sinaamoy ito pero I'm controlling myself. Ang bango ng chicken salt.
Yep.
Yep. Is this coffee? Honey
No
comb.
bloody worry. Yeah, no worries.
No, you're not allowed to have coffee. They fly.
Oh, it's ready.
Si Jan pupunta siya sa sa factory kung saan niya binibenta.
That's good.
Ayun ang binibenta yung lobster. Ayan, large na chips ang kinuha niya para yung boys din. Oh, okay, go. Okay. Mag-edit muna tayo. You want some chips? You want some chips? Yeah, it's large. Do you wanna eat this the scones?
I don't want it.
Oh, you don't like it? Bumili lang ng scones. Ayaw nilang kainin. Ayun no, ayoko. Pinipigilan. Gusto ko pero ayoko. Alam niyo yun? Kasi sayang naman ang aking mga pagda-diet sa Pinas at saka nag-start na tayo mag-walking. Okay, kinapon ako dito sa kitchen. Guys, punta na kami ng beach. Yeah, may pulis o ka. Hindi nag-seatbelt si John. May dala ko dyan na na pagkain ko din. Ininit ko yung tira kahapon na ulam, tapos gawa ko ng yung rice ko. Ready, Baba, for swim? You miss swimming? Kasi dalawang beses lang siya nakapag-swim sa Pinas eh. Kasi pag din ang weather, nung umuwi kami, pag December, ganun ang weather sa Bicol. Hindi kami maka-swim, and then kahit labas-labas kasi nga sobrang maulan, and then yung mga kapatid ko busy. Alam, kami lang ni Holly. Si Mama at Papa lang talaga, mag-mall lang talaga kami. Pero okay lang naman. Right, Baba? The holiday was? Fun. Kahit hindi kami nag-beach kasi wala. Kalaban doon ay weather. Panira yung ulan sa Bicol. But we still enjoy. Right, Baba? Do you wanna go back? Gusto ayaw niya nga umuwi. Kumuha lang si Jan ng drinks. Magba-barbecue sila dun sa beach. And ako hindi ako kung anong outfit ko kanina, yung pa rin kasi sobrang init, tapos yung tubig dito malamig, hindi rin naman ako makakapag-swim. Hindi naman ako nagsiswimming kahit nga dun sa atin, di ba, sa Pinas, kahit anong ganda, ewan ko bakit hindi ako nagsiswimming. Noong bata ako, mahilig ako mag-swimming din, my God. Sama doon, sama dito, kung sinong magsiswimming na kamag-anak o mga kapitbahay, sasama ako niyan. Pag pinayagan ni Mama, kasi si Mama minsan hindi kayo pinapayagan din. Pag kapitbahay yung kasama, kahit ipagpaalam na. Kayo din ba ganon? Sasabihin nyo yung kapitbahay nyo, na close sa inyo na pumunta sa bahay para ipaalam kayo pero hindi pa rin kayo pinayagan. Ginagawa ko yan. Tapos kung papayagan man ako, halimbawa yung kapitbahay, pinaalam kami at pinayagan kami ni mama, pag uwi namin galit yan si mama kasi sabi, bakit pinapunta mo at pinapaalam ka pa? Alam mo naman na hindi ka namin papayagan pero pinayagan para hindi mapaalam nyo yun. Para hindi magtampo si kapitbahay. Ganun yung eksena na Johnny boy. What did you get, her?
Just drinks.
Just drinks. Ako may dalawang tubig. Sobrang init. Workout outfit. Kasi ang init dito, sakit sa katawan. Dami kong linagay na sunscreen, tapos meron akong pang spray. Para mamaya ulit. Ayan. Ha?
Drink.
What?
Check chair.
Yeah, why you didn't? We have that.
No, it's not set.
We have. Can you get back? Because we have no chair. Kunin namin yung upuan dito sa caravan. Para makapunta tayo sa...
Pick those up, please. Put them
What's
back
that?
over there, all these containers here that are...
Oh, boys.
And there's one under there, Zach. You're going to have to get that one too.
Me?
Anyone?
Yeah. My seat, hon. I want my seat. The moon one. Oh no, this one is this is no, this is not.
Yeah, they're way in there.
Yeah, so. Oh, any. It's Holly's there, so, huh? Holly? Yeah, the big one. What?
Only need two, don't you?
Ah, just me and Holly. Oh. Us.
Just put them there.
It's right.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
alright. So you're not gonna see? Okay. Kami lang ni Holly mag-see. Where's the one you want, Han? We got a new one that you want. Mayroon siyang pinanalunan na upuan. Yung isa kasi, yung moon shape na upuan, nandun sa pinakadulo. Where are you going tomorrow? Oh, yeah. Yeah, the red one, you get a new one.
Must be in the shed.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
I don't think it is, although it's here.
Yeah, the new one. Ah, maybe it's still in the shed. I'm not sure.
What do you want?
Daddy, the chair.
That's
Daddy,
at the house.
there is. No, not that one. That's the clothes. Okay, let's go. Can I put this at the back, babe? Alright, let's go to the beach. Seatbelt, Han. May pulis. Dito ang pulis sa amin. Lagi din nandito. Ilan ang kaibigan niya dyan ang natitikitan din dito sa may sa amin. Who's that?
That's Cooper.
Who?
Ah, Cooper.
Oh, wavy.
Carry
Yeah,
behind.
cousin.
In that yoke?
Yeah.
Who's
Oh,
yours?
in the car.
That one, that car.
Yeah, they'll ask me how to go to the beach.
Pinsan
Where they
mo.
going?
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit. I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend.
In outside so we can block the wind off. Freaking unbelievable. Best one because
That's
you
the best one.
get out of the wind.
Gusto sana doon ni Jan kasi nasa middle ng rock para masangga yung wind. Kasi merong
You want to put
tao.
your waddy on, Bugs?
Okay, go Baba. Not yet. Wait for others. Is Sophie coming, huh?
Yep.
I
Huh?
don't know.
I don't know.
Could be working.
Oh, Sophie working? With
Oh, yeah, I suppose she would be, yeah.
No, she asked me if Holly was coming.
okay.
See little barrels there?
Ano na? Oh,
Can I put your waddy on now, Bugs? Or?
yeah, so that you're ready, Baba. Come on. Put your wetsuit now.
Ma, where's your sunscreen that's spiky?
Yeah, I know. How
Why?
far back can we
I
go?
want that one.
Ano, that's for adults. Put your sunscreen.
Always summer.
Hindi pa siya makaget over.
We haven't got that.
Ha? Is that a new one, Han? Is it hard, Baba? Now you can swim. Go, Baba.
This was hard.
Nga?
This was
Side.
Get out there.
Go.
I don't know, but I'm going to
Huh?
Mum, you want a crisp?
No, Zachary. Yeah!
Hey, that.
Someone wee there.
Yeah, I did. Of course you did.
Lalaro sila. Kumukuha sila yung parang tawag nila crisp sand. Crisp sand. Para siyang ano, yung binili kong queso de bola sa Mary Grace, yung biscuit, kanipis. Oh. Yan ang ginagawa nila, yan na. Papagulungin nila yung gulong. Nakita lang namin yung gulong dito.
I was just a kid when I met you, honey. Working on my daydreams. Down bed wishing you'd come and save me. If only I'd have a time machine back then, I'd see us dancing in the kitchen light. No one thought we could ever make it. Didn't know time could move so fast. 10 years later and I'm still your baby. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're
Iron Man.
changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15.
That's heavy.
We're always living for the weekend, painting pictures, you and me. Late night drives, music loud, ours for speaking. Close my eyes and I was dreaming. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Can't see myself without you, now I took for two. Try to go our separate ways, but I come back, it's true. Maybe we're both missing out on life to lose. But if I'm changing for the better, because of you, hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing.
Ay, ang lamig. Lamig ng hangin, lamig ng tubig. Lagay ko kayo dyan. Sana huwag kayo mahulog.
I am an asteroid. I'm soaring through the sky. He yells, but I ignore. I always start the fight. I say he dims my light. I've been on fire lately. We're about to collide, but he still calls me baby. I haven't played nice yet, he still wants me. I give him hell, but heaven sent him. I come down.
Yan, nakaupo na tayo dito. And si Holly, lalaro na siya sa boogie board niya.
That one hasn't got a stripe, got a toe, that one drives it.
Huh?
Are they asking you?
Yeah. They did.
Okay. Enjoy. Is it cold, Baba? Can you feel the water? Kasi pag wala siyang wetsuit, sobrang lamig yan. Kaya kailangan nila magsuot ng wetsuit. Si Sak at saka si Brock hindi nagsuot. Si Kuya naka-ano din, naka-wetsuit. Siya na lang inutusan ng boys. Baba! Ayan yung tatlo. Puntahan ko yung mga bata. Malamig kasi yung yung tubig. Hanggang dito lang tayo sa may dito lang. Hindi ako pupunta dyan sa may tubig kasi malamig. Medyo malayo-layo na sila eh. Hanggang dyan lang ang zoom natin. Cricket na sila. Si Kuya nasa tubig pa.
Time it, Zach. Time it.
Go, Baba! Go, Baba! Go, Baba! Holly's turn. Oh,
another go.
God. Another one. Come
That
on.
was 2 hands. Keep going, Holly. Yeah, so.
Go, Baba.
So, yeah, we'll just give Helen a bit of a go at bloody run around and then probably not give her a little rest time.
Go, Baba. Ah,
Whatever.
out na siya.
Holly, go Wiki.
Kuya's turn.
Well, they shouldn't be, but they might be. Yeah, they should be at their destination by now.
Oh!
Oh yeah, she went bloody straight into the book. After it come in, she was good.
Oops!
She was cut. That whole
Ah!
cut.
Magmo-move kami doon. Kasi alis na yung nandoon kanina. Paalis na sila. Para wala tayo sa wind. Oh, go! Nadala ko yung sibuyas. 5 to. Balikan ko yung dalawa. Nandito na pala yung mga batas. Diyan na sila. Here's the onions. Set up na nila yung kanilang barbecue. Why are you digging?
So what? Then he Fortnite.
Ayan, nagdidig sila dyan.
Yeah, they had a quick swim last night. Don't start Friday now.
How deep is it now?
Hey, Megan, he stopped, didn't he?
What are you trying to achieve?
China.
Cha? China?
Digging to China.
Digging to China? Is that your way to go there?
Holly, watch out. Don't show. Holly, watch out. Holly, watch out.
Tapos na silang kumain. Well, tapos na kaming kumain. Pero yung ibang adults kumakain pa din doon. May niluluto pa sila. Ngayon, ayan. Nag-crickets na sila. And nandito na si Sophie and Joe and Kylie. Ayan. Malamig na. Pero ewan ko dito sa mga batang to. Nasa tubig pa rin si Holly. Update!
Update, we're going.
We're going. Chika-chika kami doon. Anong oras na ba? 7:46. Nandun pa rin sila, Holly at Sophie. Malamig na yung... Malamig na. Hindi nyo nga lang makita. Come on! We're going! Oh, that's yuck. Yeah. Oh.
No, I am.
No, I already said deep, so I stopped.
Too bad.
Don't say too bad when I already said it.
We're gonna close our vlog na, guys. 7:58 na. Mag-alas 8 na. Yun na yung vlog natin. What they're doing, taking photo. What time? What time are you leaving tomorrow? After fishing?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night. Good night.
Night.